Yeah. 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 Doing. Yeah. The Don. Yeah. 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 It's the Don. The Don. Jaw drop when I bust out my Glock, looking like Jaws. Ain't silent pause. Now let's see who's quick to talk. Fuck the law, have bullets bouncing off of Mars, leave you on shock. Jump in your body will be outlined in shock. I call that hopscotch. Drinking scotch on the rock, chasing it down with schnapps like a boss, flipping off the cops as I get lost. Got the bitch up the cup, she fuzz them up, but I toss a slut cause she called me pops. Playing with words, disturbing the earth with a vivid imagery that occurs in this picture. Snapshot, you don't need to crop this literature, I'm sure I'm that hot. Taking off to the top, as the top comes off, she gets turned on, she a whole bot, whole stop. Before I put you in a hole next to these crops. I don't fuck with hoes, I want a rose, and a rose is what I got. So there you go, what more do you motherfucking want? Bitches these days are like a ghost, always on the hunt. Shit, I'm faithful, full of faith. I watch these fools fall on the face. It's fun cause they think that they stunt, but actually in reality when they get turned down they leave stunned. Believe me when I say that, son, they only want somebody that's a someone. Somebody get a job and move along. Message brought to you by the motherfucking Don. Y'all already know, nigga, I'm just keeping it 100. Killed it. Murdered it. Affirmative. Yeah, bitch.